Hello, this is Mrs. Belcher, and this is our phonics lesson for today. This is lesson 155, and this is for Friday, April 24th. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to let you do these on your own. I want you to get ready to show your parents how smart you are. So it is your turn to shine. Here we go, boys and girls. What letter? What sound? What letters? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letters? What sound? What letters? What sound? What letters? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letters? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letters? What sound? What letters? Hard sound. Soft sound. What letters? What sound? What letters? What sound? What letters? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letters? What sound? What letter? Consonant sound? Long sound. What letter? What sound? What letters? What sound? What letters? What sound? What letters? Let's start with the first one. What letters? What sound? Second one. What letters? What sound? Third one. What letters? What sound? Fourth one. What letters? What sound? Fifth one, or the last one. What letters? What sound? What letters? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letters? What sound? What letter? Short sound. Long sound. What letter? What sound? What letter? Short sound. Long sound. What letters? What sound? What letters? What sound? What letters? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letters? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letters? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letter? What sound? What letters? What sound? All right, I know you did such a great job. We're going to go ahead and start with our sight words. All right, boys and girls, you are going to say those letters and then read the word. All right, guys, let's go ahead and go to our words. I'm just going to do the first page. I'm going to say those vowel sounds. Remember, I see bossy E, so make sure you're spying. I dine. O slope. A state. A hate. Cube. tube. Okay? All right, your turn. Read those words for me. And remember, if you need to pause the video, please feel free to do so. Read those words. Read those words. Read those words. Read those words. Make sure you're looking for boss CE. All right, read those two sentences for me. Read those sentences for me. Read those sentences for me. All right, now we have made it to the end of this lesson. Parents, if you would like to, because this is a Friday lesson, on a Friday, we would normally be taking a mastery check, or like our kids call it, we call it a checkup. So if you would like to, on each of your printables that I have sent you, you might see it. It's a page that looks just like this with blue words and sentences on it. It might be on your Google Classroom if you're using the technology, or it might be on Remind if you're just using your packet. If you would like to, you can always on Fridays go through and give your child maybe 2 or 3 words of each page. You can choose, like, for example, if I was just going to give my child one, I would just choose maybe 3 or 4 words from this page. This is lesson 155. Then I would choose maybe 3 or 4 words from each of the pages, the printable pages that look like this. This is kind of just giving your child a checkup, just to make sure that they are, writing those words correctly, because we do want to make sure that they are writing the words correctly. So if you have questions about doing that, please feel free to let me know. But that's just something that you can do on each Friday, just to give your child a checkup as well. All right, guys, I hope you have a great weekend. Stay healthy, stay safe. I miss you very so much, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.